Hey guys, so we're here at OC Hybrid Tech. We're gonna do a combustion leak test. So we're gonna kind of show you guys the difference. This is the fluid right here. This is a car we do know that has a head gasket issue on it. So we're gonna kind of essentially show you. As you can see, it's right there. It turns yellow. And then in a moment, we're gonna show you guys on a car that is that doesn't have the head gasket issue. This is one that we just actually replaced the head gasket along with new water pump and everything. We're just gonna pump oxygen back in this guy till it turns blue. You don't have to toss away this fluid every time you use it. Once you get it, I guess, oxygenated, then it will go back to blue, and you can reuse this forever as long as you make sure it's not like the color is back to blue. You can pour it back into the bottle. So as you can see now, we're back to blue here. I don't know if that shows. And then we're gonna go on this car that we just did the head gasket on. They're both on maintenance mode, so they continuously run. That helps us do the detection. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. This tester keeps popping its butt, but yeah, as you can see, no matter how many pumps we're doing on here, it stays blue. Guys, do this before you change your spark plugs, ignition coils, EGR coolers, all of that. Do this first. If your mechanic tells you should, after you bring them a Prius and they tell you should change your spark plugs, ignition coil at first, just walk away from that shop. Come to us at OC Hybrid. Thanks.